Mahila, welcome to the desert. There's an H stream. This is part of the Doja Cat series. I had this dream last night. H is in it, he's alive, and you have to eat the worm. It's like there's peanut butter and there's a worm. It feels very in your face. It feels like um, it feels like The Ring a little bit. You know, the Ring film, because it's like H is kind of on top of you, and it feels very real, and like this could happen, like this is like a reality, and then you wake up and then you just go about your day. But yeah, it was very shocking, and it's like in the dream you kind of had a thought that he could be alive, but then it's all confirmed. So it's even more horrible. And the feeling you have is very disturbing. It's not a good dream. Um, so just prepare. It's dreadful for sure. Had it last night. So, um, well, I was up all night last night. So 2 nights ago. Just last time I slept, during the day yesterday.